As you can see, stitching out decorative stitches and with some variegated thread can really show off what the Pfaff Ambition 1.0 sewing machine has to offer. So there's a lot of stitches in the machine, and I always recommend to my students to take the time and just stitch out a couple of them. I'm at 105, so I could go to 106. And then if you don't want to step on your foot control and hold it down, you can always use the start-stop button, which makes it really easy just to sit back and enjoy watching the stitches stitch. And just kind of guide it one row after another. And then when you're ready to have it end, touch this symbol right here and it will stop at the end of the pattern and lock it for you. So you don't even have to really think, and when you're done, you're going to have a beautiful collection of what all the stitches are going to look at and look for. They look so much different than what you see up here on the part of your machine that just shows them printed off. See the difference that you have? It's amazing. So stitch out all your decorative stitches in thread, and I think you'll truly fall in love with this machine even more.